Okay, I told you guys that I would talk to you about the different under eye issues. This one over here is all about the darkness. This one over here is all about the bag. This is how you're going to fix them. For the darkness, you are going to need some type of a color corrector. This is Frenchy Lip and Cheek. And I just put it on my finger and tap it on to that dark area. Now that's going to look a little bit crazy, but don't panic, because then we're going to go in with your kind of concealer shade or your main shade, depending on what you're going to do. I'm going to go in with my main shade first and just kind of tap it here in the middle and a little bit into that darkest spot. Then I'm going to go into my brightener shade, put the brightener here on the outside and on the inside. And as you tap that in, it's going to brighten everything up. See that? Crazy, right? You can also use, instead of using like a lip and cheek like this, you can use a demi shade for the same thing. But let me know if that helps with the dark under eye. And then let me teach you about what to do with the bag.